Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry exercise 7.3 fifth question. So first we read the question. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points 8, -5, -2, -7 and 5, 1 by using Heron's formula. Here is the question. Find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. So let us solve this question. So first we draw the triangle. Let this is A and it is what? B, and this is C. Write their points. A is given 8, -5 and B is -2, -7 and C is what? 5, 1. So after write these points, the opposite side of A. The opposite side of A is what? Small a. The opposite side of B is what? Small b. So the opposite side of C is small c. The opposite side of A point is small a. The opposite side of the small B point is small b. The opposite side of C is what? Small c. So here we are taken BC. The side BC is A and side AC is B and AB is what? C. So we find these distances AB, or we can say their lengths or distance. So both are same. So first we find distance between PC. So write first B. B is what? -2, -7 and C is 5, 1. This is B and it is a C. So let this is x1, y1 and it is what? x2, y2. Right now distance formula. So BC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and make it is box. So after this substitute this x1 y1 and x2 y2 values in this formula. Write under root of x2 is 5 and this is formula minus, and x1 is -2. Minus into minus is +2 whole square plus y2 is what? 1 minus y1 is -7. Minus into minus +7 whole square is equals to under root of 5 plus 2 is 7 and write square plus, and 1 plus 7 is 8 square is equals to root 7 square is a 49 and 8 square is 64. So is equals to, add this 49 and 64, you get what? 10, 11, root 113. Therefore BC is equals to, what is BC? BC is A is equals to root 113. Root 113. This is root 113. Next we need to find out B value. So B is what? AC. So find distance between AC, where A is equals to, A is 8, -5 and C is equals to 5, 1. A is 8 comma minus 5 and C is 5 comma 1. Let this is x1 and y1 and this is what x2 y2. Write the distance formula. AC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So write AC is equals to under root of x2. What is the value of x2? 5. And write minus x1. x1 is 8 whole square plus y2. y2 is here 1 and y1 is minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 whole square is equals to under root of 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square plus 1 plus 5 is 6 square is equals to under root of minus 3 whole square is what? Minus square is a plus, 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is a 36. So it is root 45. Therefore, AC is equals to, AC is what? B is equals to root 45. AC is root 45. Yes, now we got A value is what? Root 113. And this value, root 113 value is 10.63. And B equals to root 45. So its value is what? 6.70. And C equals to root 104. Its value is 10.19. So now we have to find out area of the triangle ABC by what? Heron's formula. Now I am writing Heron's formula under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is what? Heron's formula. Where S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So here A is what? 10.63 plus B is 6.70 plus C is 10.19 by 2 is equals to, and what will get adding these three terms? See, I am adding here 10.63 and 6.70. First I am adding these two. So 3 as it is. 6 plus 7 is what? 13. And 1 plus 6 is 7. And this is 1. And again it is added with a 10.19. So 3 plus 9 is 12. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And it is 7. And this is what? 2. So 27.52 divided by 2. So you can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6 and 1 is remain. 2 sevens are 14, 1 remain, 2 6 are 12. So is equals to 13.76. So what we can write? S is equals to 13.76. Now we want to substitute in this Heron's formula S value as 13.76 and A value as 10.63 and B value as 6.70 and C value as 10.19. Now I am going to substitute these values in Heron's formula. So area of ABC is equals to under root of S. S is what? 13.76. S into S minus A. S minus A is 13.76 minus A. A is 10.63. And next S minus B. 13.76 minus B is 6.70. And S minus C. 13.76 minus 10.19. So after writing this is equals to, right under root of 13.76 and next subtract this 13.76 minus 10.63. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, point, write 3 as it is, and 1 minus 1 is a 0. So it is what? 3.13 into, again minus these two values. See, 13.76 minus 6.70. Write 6 as it is, 7 minus 7 is 0, and 3 minus 6 take here carry, and 13 minus 6 is what? 7. 7.06 into, and one more is what? This one. 13.76 minus 10.19. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. Point, write 3 as it is. So it is 3.57. Yes. If we multiple 13.76 into 3.13 into 7.06 into 3.57, we will get under root of 1085.5. And 1085.5 root value is 32.94. Therefore, we can conclude the area of ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equals to 32.94 square units. This is the answer.